Welcome to Haes Technologies Technical Support videos. In this video, we will explain how to add new devices to an existing system on our Esprit range of addressable panels. The menu structure can be accessed by pressing the tick key in the center of the cursor keys. The cursor keys and tick or enter button will be used to program the panel. In this example, we'll be adding an extra device at address number 3 on its existing system. The new device is a call point, and at the moment there are just 2 other existing devices on loop number 1. The first step is to fit your new device. Ideally the system should be powered down, but you can remove the loop terminals while fitting the device. On powering up or refitting the loop terminals, the panel will eventually, after a few seconds, show a fault that says device loop 1 address number 3 not learned. Hopefully that will line up with the new device you've added to your loop. To enter the menu system, you push the tick or enter button. You will then be asked to enter a 4-digit code. Your code is 1111. This is achieved by using the cursor and the enter key. When you have entered the 111 code, push enter. This will take you into the main menu. The option we're interested in this example is the configuration option. So using the right hand arrow, move over to where it says config and then push enter. Again, because we're going to the config option, it will ask for the config menu code, which is 3333. Again, using the cursor keys and the enter keys to add in the password. When the password is entered, it will then take you to the config menu. Again, at the moment we're interested in the option marked panel. When entering the panel options, you then get the options to learn, which is the one we'll be doing now. So again, push enter on learn. The panel will then start its internal learning process. It will relearn its internal cards and then start to learn the devices on each of the loops. And what it is doing then is looking for differences between this learn and the last learn. It will never overwrite existing information on the loop. After it's finished the learn process, it will ask you to confirm a few things about the panel, about the cards that are fitted. You can normally just accept this by pushing the button under where it says accept. It will then reveal any new devices it has found. In this case, it says on loop number 1, it's found 3 devices and one of those is new. And again, you want to accept those changes. Again, you push the button underneath the accept. It will also ask you to confirm the amount of panels on site and whether they're present or not present. Again, that should be as is, so you can just hit the accept button again. Once the learn has finished, it takes you back to the config panel. We then want to add some text and some zone numbers to the devices, so we hit the back key. This takes us back to the configuration menu, but this time we want to work on the devices to add the text and zone number. So we move across to the option where it says devices, and then we push the enter button when we're on this option. This then takes us into the configuration device option. Again, we want to work on devices, so we again push enter on devices. This then gives us a breakdown of all the devices on the loop. What we need to do then is move to our new device that we've added. So using the down arrow, we keep clicking down and down and down until once we get to the new device, which was device number 3, the one we've added, you can see there it's a manual call point MCP, and it's on loop 1, device 3. To add text to the device, we push enter. This will then take us to a menu where we can add the device name and change its zone number. So again, we push enter on device name. This takes us into the menu where we can add the device name using the keypad attached. Again, you can use Alt to bring up capital letters, and you can also going to bring up symbols and numbers. In this case, we're going to call our device number 3 room 6. When finished, we push the done option, which is the key underneath where it says done. This takes us back to our device information screen. We can then move down to where it says zone. Again, push enter. Then using the up and down cursors, we can set the device to the zone we require. Again, once we're finished, we push done. This then takes us back to our device selector list. Again, if we've added more than one, we can go up and down to any other devices we've added and add the text and zone number to each one. When finished, we hit the back key. This should then hopefully take us back to our main screen and the system should be clear of faults. Thank you for watching. For more videos, please visit our website at haes-tech.com.